If you're looking to create custom dashboards in Process.st, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that step by step. Custom dashboards in Process.st can totally transform the way you organize your processes, making it easier to track progress, monitor key metrics, and boost your team's productivity. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how to create dashboards tailored to your exact needs, and I've got a special bonus that you won't want to miss. First, if you're not already using Process.st, I highly recommend checking it out. You can start using the software completely free with a link in the description below, plus some exclusive bonuses for signing up. Now, let's dive into custom dashboards. To create a custom dashboard in Process.st, the first thing you need to know is that it's all about customizing your workspace to display the information that matters most to you. These dashboards allow you to see exactly how your processes are progressing, how tasks are being completed, and what's pending, all in real time. The first step is logging into your Process.st account. If you don't have one yet, head to the link in the description below and sign up for your free trial to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard, which displays your active workflows, tasks, and processes. To create a custom dashboard, click on the Dashboards option in the navigation menu. This will bring you to the area where you can start building your own custom view. You'll notice that you can add widgets to the dashboard to display key metrics, task statuses, and even team performance. The widgets are the core of your custom dashboard. Process.st offers several different types, including task list, workflow progress, form data, and more. Each widget can be tailored to focus on specific workflows or even tasks within those workflows. For example, if you want to track how many tasks in a particular workflow have been completed, you can add the Workflow Progress widget. This widget will give you a clear visual of your team's progress and allow you to easily spot bottlenecks. Once you've selected the widget you want, you can filter it based on the workflow, tasks, or even specific users. This level of customization is what sets Process.st apart from other tools. You can also drag and drop your widgets around to organize your dashboard in a way that makes the most sense for you. A great feature within Process.st is the ability to set up filters on your dashboard. This allows you to get even more granular with your data. For example, you could filter tasks by due date, priority, or team member. This is especially useful if you have multiple workflows or processes running at once and you want to focus on specific areas that need attention. Another cool feature is the ability to save and share dashboards. If you've created a dashboard that works for your team or a specific department, you can save it as a template. This way, you don't have to build the same dashboard over and over for different teams or departments. Sharing is equally easy. Just invite your teammates to view or edit the dashboard. Now let's talk about keeping everything organized. A good dashboard isn't just about throwing widgets together. It's about displaying information in a way that makes it easy to analyze and take action. A common mistake is overloading the dashboard with too much data. Focus on the key metrics that align with your goals and objectives, and don't clutter the view with unnecessary details. As you continue using Process.st, you'll find that having custom dashboards can drastically improve how your team works together. You'll have a clear view of what's going on across all your processes and can make informed decisions on where to focus your energy. Remember, customizing your dashboard in Process.st is all about making the software work for you and your team. The more specific you get with your dashboard widgets, filters, and layouts, the more powerful your workspace becomes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the link in the description to get your free trial of Process.st. I've also got an exclusive extended trial for you, so make sure you grab that while it lasts. By using custom dashboards in Process.st, you're unlocking the full potential of the software, making your work processes smoother, more efficient, and more transparent. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.